In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize the settings in OBS Studio quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or someone looking to refine their stream quality, this guide will walk you through a simple process to adjust your streaming bitrate for optimal performance. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, ensure you have OBS Studio installed on your computer. OBS, which stands for Open Broadcaster Software, is a powerful, open-source tool widely used for streaming and recording. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can easily find it online with a quick search. Once you have it ready and installed, open up the OBS Studio application. Now that you're in OBS Studio, the next step is to navigate to the Settings menu. You can find this option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Clicking on Settings will open a new window with multiple tabs. Among these tabs, look for the one labeled Output. This is where you'll find the option to change your stream's bitrate, a crucial factor that determines the quality and size of your stream. Once you're on the Output tab, you'll see various settings, but we're going to focus on the bitrate today. The bitrate is essentially the amount of data transmitted per second during your stream. A higher bitrate means better video quality, but it also requires more bandwidth. If you have a fast internet connection, you can increase your bitrate for a clearer picture. On the other hand, if you're experiencing buffering or lag issues, you might want to lower it to ensure a smoother viewing experience for your audience. As a general tip, your bitrate settings should be aligned with both your internet upload speed and the platform you're streaming to. Different platforms have different requirements, so check their guidelines to know the optimal bitrate settings. For instance, platforms like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook might suggest specific bitrate ranges for different resolutions. With that knowledge in hand, adjust the bitrate slider or enter a specific value in the box provided, depending on your needs and internet speed. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to hit Apply or OK to save your new settings. And there you have it. You've successfully optimized your stream's bitrate settings in OBS Studio. Remember, streaming is all about practice and refinement over time. Feel free to return to this settings panel whenever you need to adjust based on new equipment or internet changes. By keeping an eye on these settings, you're on your way to providing a better streaming experience for both you and your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or further topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy streaming, everyone!